Today I was driving the 190E. As you can see, I have one wheel off. I was driving it, went out by Elite Performance, came back home. When I got back home, I was driving around, went for the kids. So when I was coming back home, I realized the brake pedal has a bit more travel than usual. So when I came home, I checked the reservoir, very low. So I was like, what's going on? So I refill it, and then I realized that, you know, it's still creeping down. So in the rim, I realized the rim was wet, so need to reseal. I need to reseal this. I'm wondering if Mercedes have the part for it. Maybe I should just take the VIN number to Mercedes. See if they will have this car in their system, because it's a right-hand drive car. It was, I think this car came through Mercedes because the owner said that Mercedes used to service it. Mercedes even rebuilt that engine that was in it. So yeah, we're gonna take the VIN number to Mercedes today and see what they have for this car. The rebuild kit would be nice, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take off this wheel, this caliper, and I mean, we can't do anything unless we have the reseal kit, right? The caliper is held on by 2 bolts around there. One up there and one down there. And then we need to remove this. I'm not really going to record all of this part because a lot of you guys don't really like these videos. You guys just want to see driving videos, car racing and all that stuff. You don't like the mechanical side of it, so not really going to record. Off, and you can see what failed. Just need to reseal, rebuild, and I'm going to do all 4. But I need to go to Mercedes and see. Yeah, man. And see if they have, as you can see if they have this in store. Let me clean this up. And for sure, we're gonna clean these brake calipers and give them a fresh, proper paint job. So when I first went to Mercedes, well, when I first even knew about Mercedes dealership, was back in 2003, 2004, and it was a different owner back then, you know what I mean? And who knows who was the owner before, like in 1987, 1990, maybe they had a different owner back then as well. I have no idea. So this video is just an experiment in a sense. You know, I don't expect Mercedes to have the part, you know, because like I say, they have gone through so many different ownerships, you know, and, you know, different everything, you know what I mean? So I don't know how it works. You know, I don't know if they like store the parts, if they keep the parts when they buy the franchise. I don't know if they keep all the parts from the previous owner, or they keep the same database or whatever it is, you know. So just going there just to see, you know, what, you know, they have, if they even have anything for this car, because this car's a 1989, 1990, you know what I mean? So I'm pretty sure they don't have it, but let's see if they have even anything for it, or what information they have on the car. Here at Mercedes, guys, gonna enter in. Hope nobody in there don't afraid of camera. Jamaican people afraid of camera, you know. It's a red carpet. Oh, God, there, man. It's everything good, man.
Temporarily in the past, not forever. I go back over because once there is a sale there.
Oh, all right. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, cool. All right. Morning. What's up? How going to now? So may I do a video just for experimental purposes. So I have an old car. I want to see if you have what parts you have for it. This is the VIN number. That's my good. Yeah, man. Okay, man. Yeah, man. Huh? You sure? Wait I say. You have nothing for it in stock? Well, is that 190E? 1990 or 89? 90. Yeah, 90. brake repair kit or brake caliper repair kit? Don't not grab that down. Really man, look.
So we have the brake pads.
You have the brake pads? No brake pads.
Walking around.
Very, very good news, guys. So they're gonna check on all the parts for me. Hopefully, they actually know the owner of the car actually. So very, very good news. You know, it's a dealer car. So I'm proud of that. Very good news. So they're gonna check on everything, send me quotation. They're even gonna check on the door cards for me. The door cards, the interior panels, all of that stuff. You know, so good news. Very, very good news. If they have everything brand new, no matter how much it costs, me I go buy it. But you know, Jason have something to show me already. He always want to show me. Jason always want to show me something new. So
What's up? What's popping? What's up?
so 63. Wheels tough, man.
One of two in the country that are aerodynamic.
Yeah.
Inside the rotors.
Yeah, man.
So you realize
I
it's
see
not that
road.
slow.
Yeah, man.
I know you're a Formula One fan as well, so you might be familiar with it. If not, this is a new turbo.
Yeah, new turbo. Yeah. So,
No
so
boost.
it's always in boost.
No lag.
No boost lag. Yeah.
Full boost. Always.
Why? Benz is just always classy, man.
Classy, yeah.
Yeah, man. This is nice.
No gaps. No ratting. No shakes.
Beautiful, man.
So, quad tips. I had to go with the 420
43.
horsepower, 500 newton meters of torque. Rear
Okay.
steer, launch control, you name it. Everything is there. I'm gonna do a
Oh, this nice, guys. I love the wheels, though. Love the aerodynamic wheels. Love the interior carbon fiber. Yeah. Screen. Wake up. Dog.
show you really quick. So, this is what she sounds like. Goes with navigation, reloading, all the roads. High-end sound system, AMG steering wheel with the shortcut buttons. I love this camera system here. The doors are closed. You'll be able to do your real-time 360 while sitting in the car. She's actually listening to me while that's why she jumped down. So amazing.
Nice
brand new
one,
model.
yeah.
With the latest, most powerful 2-liter engine.
But boy, technology comes such a long way. With the way how they can put electric turbos on the car from it just always being boost.
Yeah,
Straight
instead of
six.
just having exhaust only to bring to school, you have electric motors to keep it on boost for you.
Yeah.
It's a real AMG engine.
Okay.
As you know, Asafa.
Yeah, man, hand-built.
Only real AMGs have the plaque.
Yeah,
So it's a hand-built one-man
Hand-built.
engine. Unbelievable.
crazy. So this is the turbo, the electric thing. Crazy. We're still there. Yeah. It's nice though. It's nice though.
Home number 5 is.
You see it, yeah?
So
This is super nice one.
So if you notice, they have a little change with the
The emblem, yeah, the crest, yeah.
From the
From the stars to that. Okay,
So this
okay.
is one of two in the country. It's being processed for sale. Bridge my mind. I'm telling you, he's going to be very happy with this vehicle. So it's not the larger 53.
Yeah.
It's about 10 million less than a 53. But you're getting no less, excitement and performance because
I mean-
it's like a pocket rocket.
Oh, yeah, man.
2 liter
Yeah, man.
force liter,
Yeah.
421 horse. Still have car seat space, big wing.
Remember, we need some extra space. So.
Keep going, another one. And you still have your spare.
Yes, oh, you actually start get back spare now.
Very important.
Nice.
These roads, kick feature, amazing. GLC 43, so
nice.
You're ready, guys.
Link up.
Come down and link us here at the dealership.
Yeah, man, I put Jason number on the thing, so can link up.
Special order. These are special orders only. And basically.
Oh, so this one is special orders only.
Because are special orders.
Okay.
We have so much interest in the main stock one. And sneak peek, guys. First ever announcement. We are going to order a CM.
Yeah?
So I don't know if I'm in trouble. Kind of letting the cattle I can't, that car is going to change again. We need our presence, you know. Mercedes needs our presence at the tracks. We're going to start there.
Yeah, man. Mercedes need to be at the tracks, man. Audi and BMW will take over.
Yeah, no, they definitely have the crowd because they have a presence. We're not even there. And the main factor, the main reason we're not there because the vehicles are almost driving with the power of the rear.
Yeah.
The 63s are beasts for racing. They're not. They're very challenging to handle setting. So the new generations.
Four-wheel drive
and launch control, so look out for some Mercedes owners. We're going to try and get them on the track and some pulls just to see where the Mercedes stack up against them.
Yeah, man.
I mean, all the credits and props to the BMWs.
Yeah.
As well. And we're going to start having our presence, guys. And I think this customer will more than likely demonstrate.
Yeah, man. Big thanks to Jason for showing me that car. Really love the car, beautiful car. You know, Mercedes is my first love when it comes to cars already. You know, so I really love seeing those cars. If you guys interested in those cars, you know, you can come down here, check Jason on South Camp Road. You know what I mean? Benz are Benz. You know, I just want to get the parts for my Benz now. And I'm feeling so much better. You know, knowing that, you know, Mercedes have all the information on my car, you know, have all the history on my car, you know, so I really feel nice to know, you know what I mean? So we're gonna get that car, you know. I was talking to a tuner the other day, and you know, he was saying, is it ever done, like working on the cars? Is it ever done? Because when the project is done, there's always something else that you want to do. Even when the cars are done and driving, there's still more you can do to the cars. You know what I mean? Sometimes even you put on the wheels on the car and you want to change them over time. You know, you want to upgrade something because technology is changing every day. Maybe some new technology come out and you know you want to upgrade this to that, and so it's never done. So stay tuned, guys. It was just an experiment video today, but it turned out real well. You know, I'm very happy with it. So we're gonna see if Mercedes, you know, come back with some good news for me, if they can order the parts or if it's just they're just done making those parts. You know what I mean? Maybe they can find some new old stock in Germany, you know what I mean, and we can just ship them out to Jamaica. They actually have the back brakes, the back brake pads. They have the brake pads, they have oil filter for that car. So I guess they have like the main service items. So they have the oil filter, the brake pads, you know, which is what you really change on the cars anyway. So they have those parts there, but I don't need brake pads. I have brake pads already. I mean, the car I haven't really driven on those brake pads that much. It's just they're gonna check on the repair kit for the calipers for me. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video, and hope you guys like and subscribe, and big up, stay tuned for more content.